everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how I do 2 French braids in my hair. So if you want to find out how to do that, then keep watching. Okay guys, bear with me here. I'm going to be going into great detail about the hand positions, and it will sound complicated at first, but if you watch a few times and keep practicing, I know you'll get there. It took me about a month of practicing every few days to get it down, but this is the only way that I have found of getting neat double braids, and I'm so excited to be sharing this highly requested video with you. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is to put your hair into, then tie one side off so it's out of your way. Then I like to kind of brush my hair into the direction that I'm going to want it to be once it's braided. Make things look a little neater. All right, so you're going to take a small section of hair near your part. Then you're going to divide that hair into 3 and hold the hair between your thumb and your pointer and your middle, and your middle and your ring. Then we're going to want to do our first stitch, which means that the bottom piece of hair is going to become the new middle piece of hair. In order to do that, I first take my pointer of the other hand and between the pointer and the middle, and I pick that piece up. And as I'm picking it up, I'm also grabbing with my pointer and my thumb to the middle piece, and then I'm going to let go with my other hand of everything but the top, and I'm going to reposition my hand and put the top piece between my middle and my ring. Then I'm going to grab the new middle piece, previously bottom piece, with my pointer and my thumb, drop that piece. Then I'm going to take a slightly bigger section and pick it up with my pointer and my middle. Then I'm going to take the top piece and make that the new middle piece by twisting it over, and then I grab with my pointer and my thumb. Then I'm going to add hair to the top piece. So I just grab a little bit of hair, and then I put it between my pointer and my middle. I'm going to take the other 2 pieces, and then I'm going to grab with my pointer and my thumb the middle piece. Then I'm going to drop the bottom piece, and then we're going to add. And then we just keep repeating that all the way down the hair. And the key here is that this hand controls where the braid is going to end up on your head. So you're going to want to keep it, at least for me, I like to keep my braid more back, so I try to keep the hand up higher. Okay, so we're going to add, twist to the middle, drop, pick up a bigger piece, twist over, add. You just keep braiding and adding from each side after each stitch. Also, it's best to pull tight every stitch so the braid stays closer to your head. I also find that the more time I take and the smaller sections I take, the better it turns out. Once you pick up the last hair, just continue on into a regular braid. I also kind of smooth out the pieces in between so they don't get tangled as I'm braiding. Okay, that's side one done. Now I'm going to move on to the other side and do it the same way. So that's side two done. And if it looks a little messy, you can always go through with your hand or a comb and try to kind of even out those pieces. And there you have it, 2 French braids. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting the Dutch braid version of this next week. I will also link my previous French and Dutch braid tutorials in the description box below. And it's just so many words.